Taking you straight across live now to Jantar Mantar, the designated protest zone in the national capital, where Anna Hazare has been joined by Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi. This is a joint protest. Anna Hazare had announced a two-day protest against the Modi government's land ordinance, calling it anti-farmer and tantamount to land grabbing. 24 hours after Arvind Kejriwal buried the hatchet and met with Anna Hazare after a gap of many months, here they are back together. The divorce has been annulled. The old crusaders are back on the same stage. The pictures even look like they used to look, except the power equations and the dynamics have completely changed. Anna Hazare is still a crusader. He calls himself a revolutionary, a social activist coming down all the way from Ralegan Siddhi in Maharashtra, whereas the man to his left, Arvind Kejriwal, has gone through the motions. He's a man of the system now. He's the Chief Minister of Delhi. This, ladies and gentlemen, in front of you on your screens, is a third of the big troubles that the Modi government faces today, inside and outside Parliament. There have been protests by the Trinamool and the Congress, both inside and outside Parliament, especially in the Rajya Sabha. And on the left-hand side of your screen, outside Parliament, not very far, just about 3 to 4 kilometers away, are these live pictures playing out where Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal turn up the heat on the Modi Sarkar on the controversial land ordinance. The politics in Lutyens' Delhi peaking at this point of time, the first big political test for the Modi Sarkar. Well, the Modi government has tabled the controversial land acquisition bill in the Lok Sabha in the middle of opposition protests and a walkout as well. The land bill, opposed tooth and nail by the opposition, was tabled by Rural Development Minister Chaudhary Birendra Singh at the end of question hour at noon. What you see on your screen now is a manifestation of the trouble the government faces both inside and outside Parliament. On the right-hand side, it's Parliament. These pictures belie what happened just a few hours ago when there were loud protests both outside and inside the House, as well as a walkout by the Trinamool and the Congress party. And on the left, live pictures from Jantar Mantar, just about 4 kilometers away from Parliament House, where Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal, using Anna Hazare's stage as a protest base, launch an attack on the Modi government on the controversial land ordinance. Well, remember that there is a three-way turbulence that the Modi government faces today, and the day is not over just yet. In Parliament, discussions on the controversial land ordinance play out, even as the BJP's senior ministers have been ordered to get out there and try and convince as many people as possible on why the land ordinance is not anti-farmer and is not about land grabbing. We'll get back to that in just a moment, where Senior Minister Arun Jaitley is speaking. We're back with these live pictures coming in from Jantar Mantar, where Arvind Kejriwal and Anna Hazare rubbing shoulders, several other ministers, several other leaders, I beg your pardon, also on that stage, several other political leaders, representatives of political parties. You saw Vaiko in one of those bits of video just a moment ago. This is a live feed coming in from Jantar Mantar at this point of time. We're expecting to see both or one of these leaders speak in a short while from now. We'll also be getting a live input from our reporter in just a moment from now.
ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು, ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಭರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
अभी जो इस देश की बहुसंख्यक जो जनता है, उनकी नहीं है.
Slip into a short break. We're going to come back right now and get you live input from Jantar Mantar in just a moment. Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal back together after 2 years. And they're launching this attack on the Modi government and the controversial land ordinance. We're going to wait to hear from them. Today we're going to take you live straight back to Jantar Mantar in the national capital, where Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal are back together on the same stage. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is back on a stage of protest. Just days after he became Chief Minister for the second time, these familiar pictures, the entire country had gotten used to this motif, this metaphor of Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal sitting together on a stage surrounded by workers, formerly of Team Anna, but now it's an assortment of people who have remained with Anna Hazare, but also people from the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal's own team. Let's just listen in now. Well, Medha Patkar is also visible on stage, as are certain other political leaders. You can see Vaiko also on that stage. Others have pledged support and will be there physically through the day today. We're waiting to hear from Medha Patkar in just a moment. We're going to go across now. I want to get in a word from Headlines Today's Smita Sharma, who's right there at Jantar Mantar. Smita, familiar image of Arvind Kejriwal and Anna Hazare on the same stage. You know, these are pictures that the entire country had gotten used to. There was a split. Now they're back together. And this is a joint attack on the Modi government.
Well, absolutely, Shiv. I can say that it is sensation.
All right, we've got a bit of an audio problem there. It's a big crowd, so you will understand that there's a bit of a technical issue there, but we'll get back to Smita in just a moment. Meanwhile, we're expecting Anna Hazare, Arvind Kejriwal and Medha Patkar to speak. So we will, of course, bring you those speeches live right here on Headlines Today. These are live pictures coming in from Jantar Mantar. If Smita can hear me, Smita, you were saying, if you can hear me, go ahead.
Shiv, I can hear you. In fact, what I was saying was that it is clearly a sense of deja vu for me. I have been following Anna Hazare, Arvind Kejriwal right from the time in 2011 when in fact the seeds of the India Against Corruption movement was sowed very much in Jantar Mantar itself. And then, of course, you know, that 13-day agitation that had happened in Ram Leela Maidan, which saw never before kind of images for the present generation. Now, you know, 10 minutes back, in fact, Arvind Kejriwal came in here. The warmth with which he hugged Anna Hazare. Remember, he used to be called the Arjun of Anna. There was a one point in time.
Absolutely, Smita. Are we expecting to hear from Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal? We understand that they might be making speeches themselves on stage.
Shiva, Anna in fact spoke just some time back, just before in fact Arvind Kejriwal came in. Anna was speaking time and making some familiar points, driving home the point that if the ordinance in the current form that the Indian government has promulgated really gets legislated into an act, it will be anti-poor, anti-farmers, it will only be pro-corporate. Arvind is in fact expected to address the crowd out here. But let me also point out, Shiv, that there seems to be a certain amount of confusion because in fact there is a separate stage built around 500 meters away from the current stage from where you see rituals, and that was the stage where Anna Hazare supporters have been waiting. They were supposed to come in there and address people. He was supposed to join in there, but Anna came forward and joined the farmers movement here with other leaders, including MDMK's Vaiko, CPIML's CPI's Atul Anjan, and other leaders, and of course Arvind also joining the crowd then.
Are there others expected as well? We can see, you know, Atul Anjan, we can see Vaiko on stage sitting right next to Arvind Kejriwal as well, Smita. Who else do we know are expected on that stage?
Well, not anymore, Shiv, because, you know, these were the people who have been here since morning. And as I said, there were 3 separate stages that have been constructed in this area. In fact, what is interesting also is that Anna's stage, which has been mounted just 500 meters from here, the 2 stages, and we were made to believe that while Arvind would come in and actually take the stage just next to it, you know, not really sharing the dais, but here we see, of course, these very different visuals where Arvind can be seen sitting, of course, in between Vaiko and Anna Hazare, and more or less everybody has addressed the crowd, everybody driving home the point. Essentially, you know, it's not about really the technicalities and the nuances of the bill at this point in time, Shiv, but so much about the opposition really mounting a concerted attack on the government, both inside Parliament and outside of Parliament, and this in a way leading to that perception that the Modi government really seems on the back foot now.
Absolutely. Thanks very much, Smita, for getting us that update from Jantar Mantar. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates. Arvind Kejriwal could speak. We'll cut across live when and if he does actually speak from that stage.
कठपुतली के कैलाश मीणा जी और नितिन